So welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am back with another interesting question. So in this question we have two semicircles. The bigger one has a radius of 23 units and the smaller one has a radius of 3 units. We have a line segment here which measures 21 units. So let us name it as AB. Now it is given that this figure is not drawn to scale. What we need to find is the value of x. In order to solve this question, we need to do some modifications. Let us join these 2 points. Likewise, we need to join these 2 points. Now this angle is 90 degree. Also this angle will be 90 degree. Because we know a theorem, so if we have a circle, this is the center, this is a tangent. So, and if we join this center with this point of contact, so this angle will be 90 degree. Applying this theorem, we get that these two angles are 90 degree. Let us name the centers as P and Q. We need to do another modification, that from point B, let us draw a line segment parallel to PQ. So if this is point B, let us name this point as C. So this BC is parallel to this QP or PQ. So they are parallel to each other. Now this is the radius of smaller semicircle. This will be 3 units. Likewise, the distance between P and C will also be 3 units. They are parallel to each other, and you see, by symmetry we get this distance as 3 units. Also, the radius of this bigger semicircle is 23 units. So 23 minus 3, this distance C to A is 20 units. You might be wondering that CA is 20 units while CP is 3 units, but the dimension of CA is smaller as compared to PC in the figure. So that is why it is given that the figure is not drawn to scale. Now what we need to do is take out this triangle. Let us draw it separately. This is point B, point A 90 degree, and this is point C. AB is given as 21 units, AC we found it as 20 units, and BC will be the hypotenuse. So we don't know its value. So let us apply Pythagorean theorem here. So hypotenuse squared, that is BC squared, is equal to 20 squared plus 21 squared. So this will be 400 plus 441, 841. So BC will be square root of 841, that is 29 units. So we found this distance as 29 units, and this distance will also be equal to PQ by symmetry. And what is PQ? So PQ, first of all, we found equal to BC is equal to 29. Now what is PQ? PQ has 3 components. This radius of bigger semicircle 23, radius of this smaller semicircle 3, and x. So if we add 23, x and 3, we will get 26 plus x, which is equal to 29. So we will subtract 26 from both sides. So we will get x equals 29 minus 26, 3. So the measure of this unknown distance x is 3 units. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.